How's it going, guys? I'm RJ with Xprite. Today we're going to show you how to install foot pegs on a 2018 JL. What we're going to do first is remove this plastic cover right here. Once that's removed, you'll expose this harness and you'll be able to unclip that as well. Next thing you want to do is unbolt this lever right here. Next, you're going to want to remove these nuts or bolts from underneath the hinges. Both of them. Once all those steps are accomplished, you'll be able to just lift the door right up. They're pretty light. This is our American foot peg for the JL. It's really simple to install. All you do is remove the nut at the bottom here that it comes with, and then go ahead and slide it into the slot. Once it's done, you'll just screw the nut back on. Suggest using a wrench to tighten it down.